Today, I want to share the key things I stopped doing that completely changed my life. You know, sometimes productivity is not about adding more to your life, it's about removing what's holding you back. When I finally stopped certain habits, I noticed not only was I getting more done, but I was also genuinely happier. Maybe they will do the same for you. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. Stop chasing perfection. For the longest time, I believed everything had to be perfect before I could start. Perfect timing, perfect setup, perfect plan. But perfection is just another form of procrastination. I realized waiting for perfect was actually keeping me stuck. When I let go of that mindset, I started taking action. My work wasn't flawless, but it was real progress. And progress always beats perfection. If you are waiting for the perfect moment to start something, you might wait forever. So stop waiting for the perfect moment and start doing from today. Stop saying yes to everything. I used to say yes to every request, every plan, every extra task because I didn't want to disappoint anyone. But saying yes to everyone else meant saying no to myself. My time and energy were scattered. When I learned to say no politely but firmly, my life completely changed. I protected my time, focused on my priorities, and finally had space to breathe. Remember, every yes should be worth the energy it costs you. Stop comparing myself to others. Scrolling through social media, it felt like everyone else was ahead of me. Better careers, nicer homes, perfect bodies, but comparison only stole my peace. What I didn't see were the struggles behind those highlight reels. The truth is, everyone's timeline is different. The moment I focused on my own journey instead of theirs, I started making real progress. Happiness comes when you stop running someone else's race. Stop multitasking. I thought multitasking made me more productive, but in reality, it just made me more scattered. When I shifted to doing one thing at a time, my focus improved, my stress dropped, and my results were actually better. Productivity is not about doing more at once, it's about doing the right thing well. I would have five things open at once and finish none of them. Number five is the most important point. Stop ignoring rest. I used to wear burnout like a badge of honor. Working late nights, skipping breaks, pushing through the exhaustion. But the harder I pushed, the less effective I became. Now I see rest as part of productivity. Sleep, downtime, even short breaks. They recharge your energy and creativity. You don't have to earn rest. You need it to show up your best self. Stop negative self talk. One of the most toxic things I held onto was being my own harshest critic. I told myself things I would never say to a friend, and it crushed my confidence. When I shifted to kinder, more supportive self talk, everything changed. I was not lowering my standards, I was giving myself the encouragement I needed to keep going. Sometimes the voice you need most is your own. So stop talking negative about your own self. So these are just some of the things I stopped doing to create more happiness and productivity in my life. Maybe one of them spoke to you. Maybe it's time to let go of something that's holding you back. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on motivation, productivity, and personal growth. And in the comments, share one thing you stopped doing that made your life better. I would love to hear your story. Okay, guys, that's it for the video. Bye bye. Love you all. Mwah.